तो मुझे बताइए, इज राइट टू डावर ट्रांसफरेबल? टेल मी yes or no. The answer is no. Please understand why. Though she is an unsecured creditor, but she is getting the dower not because she is an unsecured creditor. She is getting a dower because of her special position as a wife. आप ये उल्टा समझ रहे हो. It is not that she is getting dower because she is an unsecured creditor. Rather, she is getting dower because she is a wife. And then she is considered as an unsecured creditor only for the purpose of recovery of meher. That is why, because she still has the special position of a wife, that is why it is her personal right and it is not transferable. आप right to dower transfer नहीं कर सकते because you are getting the dower because of your special position as a wife. Are we clear with this much? इतना समझ आ गया? Yes or no? So is the right to dower transferable? No. The reason is that though it is considered to be an unsecured debt, but still she is getting the dower not because she is an unsecured creditor. Rather, she is getting the dower because she is having a special position of wife. Clear? The next question, is right to dower heritable? लिखा हुआ है आप लोग. Transferable तो नहीं है. हाँ? Is right to dower heritable? Yes or no? Huh? Is right to dower heritable? नहीं, नहीं. Yes ma'am, is right to dower heritable? No? Yes. Yes. हेरिटेबल है. हेरिटेबल का मतलब क्या होता है? आप कह रहे हो सेम लॉजिक तो लगेगा, नहीं लगेगा. हेरिटेबल का मतलब क्या होता है? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय हेरिटेबल प्रॉपर्टी? हाँ, जो आगे विरासत के तौर पे दी जा सके. ओके, कब दी जा सके? अपॉन डेथ. तो वाइफ की डेथ हो गई. Now does she have the special position of wife? No, I hope not. Does she have the special position of a wife? No, she had it. Now she does not have it. Now, what is she? Is she a wife or she is now just an unsecured creditor? Unsecured creditor. Because upon death, the special relationship of husband and wife comes to an end. Upon death, the marriage is dissolved, and by the dissolution of marriage, the special relationship of husband and wife comes to an end. So husband is just a man now. The wife is just supposed to be treated as an unsecured creditor. Kyunki though you are not going to be considered as having a special position of a wife, but still the amount of dower should be recovered because it is your unsecured debt. That is why right to dower is not transferable while the marriage is subsisting, but it is still heritable upon the death of the wife. बिल्कुल. आप पता क्या कह रहे हो? आप पता क्या कह रहे हो? आप कह रहे हो कि वाइफ के डेथ के बाद वाइफ के जो बच्चे हैं वो भी डावर के लिए क्लेम ना कर सके. यू आर सेइंग दिस. If you make dower non-heritable, then you are basically wanting to say that the children of the wife can also not file a suit for the recovery of dower. Do you want that to happen? हाँ, लॉजिक ही कह रहा हूं मैं. आप देखो, मैंने कहा जहां तक ट्रांसफर की बात आती है, ट्रांसफरेबिलिटी की जहां तक बात आती है, द वाइफ हैज अ स्पेशल पोजिशन and that is why she is getting dower. It is when it is the question of recovery. I'll just come. It is when there is a question of recovery that she is treated as an unsecured creditor. जब रिकवर करना होगा, जब वो अपने हस्बैंड से डावर मांगती है तो ऐसे थोड़ी कहती है कि तुम मेरे अनसिक्योर्ड डेटर हो, मैं अनसिक्योर्ड क्रेडिटर हूं, लाओ मुझे पैसा दो, तुमने मुझसे उधार लिया है. ऐसा कहता है कोई? आई होप नॉट नहीं कहेगा, वरना डावर तो छोड़ के कुछ और हो जाएगा. राइट? मैं कह रहा हूं ऐसा तो नहीं कहा जाएगा ना. I am saying it is only for recovery that she is treated as an unsecured creditor. Rather, जब heritability की बात आती है, that whether dower is heritable or not, I am saying husband and wife had a special relationship. wife dies, now upon the death of the wife, is the special relationship still subsisting? No, नहीं है. मैं लोगों की प्यार, इश्क, मोहब्बत, तड़पन की बात नहीं कर रहा हूं. मैं कह रहा हूं कि हस्बैंड और वाइफ का क्या अब रिलेशनशिप बचा, निकाह बचा? नो. तो then what is the wife's right to meher? She will be treated as an unsecured creditor. वो unsecured debt बन जाएगा. That is for purposes of recovery she will be considered to be an unsecured creditor. तो ट्रांसफर नहीं कर सकती वो, अपने जीते जीते ट्रांसफर भी नहीं कर सकती. और जब तक मैरिज चल रही है, the right to dower is her exclusive right because she is going to get it because of her special position. But the moment she dies, that special position is lost, and that amount just becomes not a token of respect, but the amount becomes a debt. This interpretation is given so that her children can also sue for the dower amount. Are we clear?